In this video, I'll be talking about maximum speed in SHM. So suppose that there is a particle and suppose that it starts SHM from this point. So it goes like this. This is x equal to A. This point is extreme position. And this point said to be the mean position. And again, this point is said to be the extreme position. So particle is doing SHM between these two extreme points. So it goes like this and then it comes back and then further goes like this. So this is said to be the one oscillation, right? So now understand, suppose that this particle, this position is mean position, that means x equal to 0. Basically what I want to say, in SHM, force is equal to minus kx, we know that, right? So at x equal to 0, F will be equal to 0. That means when this force is passing through this position, there will be no force when particle is passing through this position. And of course at this position, at extreme position, particle has to instantaneously stop. So its velocity will be 0 instantaneously, and then it changes the direction and comes back. That means maximum force is on extreme position. F is maximum on extreme positions, and velocity is 0 at extreme positions. It means when this passes through mean position, so basically it goes like this and it goes like this, velocity will be maximum because there is no available force. Obviously velocity's direction will be changed, but speed will be same, speed same, but velocity will be different because direction is changed, right? So that means, it means here V will be maximum at mean position. So we want to achieve that point, we want to achieve that velocity. So we know that V is equal to omega plus minus omega under root of a square minus x square, where a is the amplitude. Maximum displacement from the mean position, and of course x is mean position. We already know that we will be maximum at mean position. That means mean position means x equal to 0. So we will achieve V as maximum. So that would be is equal to plus minus omega under root of a square minus 0 plus minus omega a. That means I am achieving V max is equal to omega a plus and omega a minus. That is nothing else, just the directions. So this direction is positive one, this one is negative one, I am considering, or else I can say the I cap and minus I cap, so both will be the same thing. So speed, maximum speed will be the mod of the velocity, which is omega a only. So remember, this is omega a, or this omega can be written as 2 pi by t, then also it can be obtained with 2 pi by t into a. So this is going to be the maximum speed in SHM for a particle which is executing SHM between two extreme points. Fine? Yeah.